Welcome, students. Today we are going to discuss a new chapter, that is software and its types. So let's start. Now, what is a software? We all react differently to the situations. Have you ever thought that how it becomes possible? Let us understand with an example. What happens when your teacher asks a question from you and you know the answer? You simply raise your hand. What prompted you to raise your hand? It is the brain that gives you the instructions to react in this manner. Similarly, a computer gets all the instructions from the software to perform various tasks. Software is the soul of a computer, without which it cannot exist. A computer without instruction is like a car without a driver. It requires a set of instructions given by the user to work on. These sets of instructions are called programs, which are written in the computer language. Software is a collection of programs that are stored and run on a computer hardware and help users to work on the computer. It is that part of the computer which cannot be touched or seen. Software is of two types, that is, system software and application software. Now, let's read about system software. It is defined as the collection of programs that control the overall operation and internal working of the computer system. It reads data from the input device and transfers the processed information to the output devices. Now, the system software is of three types: operating system, language processor, and utility software. Operating system is needed to operate the computer. An operating system controls the overall activities of a computer. It acts as a link between the user and hardware and enables them to work together. Let's make it more clear with an example. As operating system exactly works like a principal in your school. Principal has many responsibilities to manage the school, supervising the students, teachers and workers, maintaining discipline, setting and scheduling the timetables, examinations, curriculum, attending parents and visitors, etc. Similarly, operating system also performs various functions to manage the working of the computer. What will happen if there is no principal in the school? Everything will be mismanaged. In the same way, if the operating system does not work properly, then you cannot work on the computer. Some popular operating systems are MS-DOS, Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Mac operating system, Linux, Unix, and etc. Second type of the system software is language processor. Each software is created by writing programs in computer language. Some of the popular computer languages are Java, C, C++. As we already know that computer can understand only the machine language, which comprises zeros and ones. Therefore, programs written in the other languages cannot be recognized by a computer. So, here is a language processor plays a vital role in translating the programming language to the machine language. The third type of the system software is utility software. It performs specific tasks usually related to the managing of the computer devices and its programs. These programs assist in the smooth functioning of the computer system and help it to perform better. Some utility programs help us to avoid the virus attacks, to take backups of the data, to recover data that has been accidentally erased. These include antivirus, backup, disk repair, file management, security and network program. You can buy various utility programs from the licensed computer stores. Some utility programs are also available free of cost on the internet. So, we have covered today what is software and its two types, where the first type is system software, in which we have studied about its three types like operating system, language processor and utility software. So, we will cover our next topic in the next video. So till then, take care. Bye-bye.